All right, we will see this topic, relationship between two port parameters. The first one is the relationship between impedance and admittance parameters. All right, so it is one of the important derivation asked many times in the video examination. So the first equation is the Z parameters are related as V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Call this as equation number 1. V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Call this as equation number 2. So these are the equations for Z parameters. Let us write these two equations in matrix form. V1, V2, that is equals to Alright, so equation 1 and 2 is represented in a matrix form here. Okay, in general, this is written as V equals to Z into I. Call this as equation number 3. Alright, next thing is, let us write Y parameters. I1 equals to Y11 V1, Y12 V2, call this as equation number 4. I2 equals to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2, call this as equation number 5. Represent equation number 4 and 5 in matrix form. I1, I2 equals to Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 into V1, V2. In general, this matrix form is represented as I equals to Y into V. Call this as equation number 6. Then put equation number 6 in equation number 3. We will get V equals to Z into Y into V. Z is nothing but Y into V. It is nothing but V and cancel. Then Z equals to 1 by Y. It is nothing but Z equals to Y inverse. Or Y equals to Z inverse. So this is what the relationship between Y and Z parameters. If you know the Z parameters, easily we can calculate the Y parameters. It is the inverse of a Z value is called as an admittance. Inverse of admittance is called as an impedance. Alright. Therefore, we know that. Therefore, Z equals to, what is I inverse? It is a Y is what here? It is a matrix. How to find out the inverse of this matrix? We know the formula as adjoint of Y divided by a determinant of Y. Alright, where determinant of Y is equals to Y11 Y22 minus y12 into y21. All right. Next, what is adjoint of A? What is adjoint of y here? Okay, I will write here. If I want to find out z11, it is what? Adjoint of y11 divided by a determinant of y. So z11 equals to, what is determinant of y? y11 into y22 minus y12 into y21. What is adjoint of y11? It is actually the cofactor of y11. What is adjoint of y11? It is cofactor of y11. So what is cofactor? Transpose of a cofactor of a matrix is nothing but adjoint of y11. So that what we will get here? Adjoint of y11 equals to minus 1 raised to j plus j into z22. That is called, we will get y22. All right. What is z12? Z adjoint of y12 divided by determinant of y. What is adjoint of y12? Here it is there. Adjoint of y12 is nothing but minus 1 raised to I plus j into y21. What is I plus j here? 2 plus 1, it is 3. Minus 1 raised to 3, it is minus 1. So that it is now minus of y21 divided by y11 minus y11 into y22 minus y12 into y21. All right. What is next step? So we have calculated z11 and z12. What is z21? It is adjoint of y21 divided by determinant of y. What is adjoint of y21? It is minus 1 raised to I plus j into y12. 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1, so that we will get minus y of 12 divided by y11 y12 minus y21 into y12. It is what? All right. What is z22? What z22 is nothing but adjoint of y2 by determinant of y. z22 equal, what is adjoint of y22? You can see here. Adjoint of this is cofactor of, transpose of a cofactor of the matrix. That is called as a adjoint of a matrix. Minus 1 raised to I plus j. I is 1, j is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1. Plus 1 into y11. That y11 divided by y11 into y21, y21 into y12. Sorry. This is what y11 into y. This is what parameters are expressed in terms of y parameters. So that I will write in general z11, z12, z21, z22 is equals to y22 divided by determinant of y minus y21 divided by determinant of y minus y12 divided by determinant of y y11 divided by determinant of y. They are one and the same. Similarly, if I know the y parameters, then this expression is z parameters are expressed in terms of y parameters. If I know z parameters, then how to express the y parameters? Then expression for y11 is z22 divided by determinant of z. y12 equals to minus y21 divided by determinant of z. y21 equals to minus determinant of z12 divided by determinant of z. y22 equals to z11 divided by determinant of z. These two are important relationship between y and z parameters. So if the question is calculate the z and y parameters for the given circuit, for that you have to calculate any one of the parameters, then another parameters can be solved using these formulas. You should keep these formulas in your mind. And as the theory point of view, this is important. It's very, very important. And it is not less than 8 marks. For this, you have to write even equivalent circuits. Equivalent circuits should be written here, so that you will get a complete marks.